Hi all. Today we are going to see one of the Power BI trick. What is that is when we are importing any data in Power BI, normally you will be feeling like few of the columns will be irrelevant. So one of the method is while importing only, you will be giving some queries, whatever the relevant columns. So only those query you will be importing it. But in few of the most of the cases, we will not be knowing like which column we will be using it in the report. So in that case, what we'll be doing, we will be going to Power Query editor and we'll be removing the information which is not required. So we that is one of the method. The one more method is we can use the function which I am going to tell you now. We can see these two methods now. So normally we'll go to transform data. We'll select the particular column which we required. So if this column is not required, we'll go and click on this remove. This is one of the method. And one more thing is, if we want to retain only this column, if you want to delete the entire row, whatever it's available. Suppose for example, these three columns you required, rest of the columns if you don't want, in that case you can click on this remove other column. So this is one of the method where we can do the right click and remove the column or remove other column we can use. One more method is what we can do is if you want to retain only these three columns, in that case what we can do, click on this any of the column, click on this function, open the square bracket. Suppose if you want only these two columns, region and country. So type region column here. You need to wrap up with a square bracket here. Again, country also you required, right? So you can type the country column within the square bracket. Close these two columns with the square bracket and click on this check tick mark. So apart from these two columns, rest of the columns will be deleted. So this is the second method which we can utilize in your Power Query when we are deleting the columns, whichever is irrelevant, right? Those columns we can delete it with this method. Hope this session is useful to you. Thank you.